Hello and welcome to all in our YouTube channel ERP SAP team. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is the work center. What is the work center in SAP? Before we start this topic, if you yet not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get the latest updates of SAP videos. Okay, and also if you like this video, then please give me a like button, because once you like my videos, then it's give me the motivation. Now also you have any query regarding this video topics, please post in the comment box. I will give you the best solution. Okay, it's totally free. So let's start the topic. Okay, what is the meaning of work center? This is the SAP definition: an organizational unit that defines where and when an operation must be performed. For example, there is a HR operation, production operation, sales operation, and there is a various operation which will be performed in a work center. So for the different activity, there is a separate work center in the plant. Okay. For each and every activity, there is a separate work center in the plant. Getting my point? So work center has an available capacity. It has a capacity to perform certain tasks. Okay. The activities performed at or by the work center are evaluated by the charge rates, which are determined by the cost centers and activity types. Okay, for like the maintenance activity, there is a the certain work centers which are associated with like CFA activity, CM activity, civil activity, electrical activity. Okay, so for this, how to get the work center list in SAP associated with any plant? For this, there is a transaction code CR05, CR05. Okay, so basically the CR05, you will get the list of the work center already planned. Okay, for example, the transaction code plan code 1702, the work center list, you just fill the plan code, and for example, you have a category option: machine, start, labor, processing units, and zone, station, store resource. These are the category, but I am going to fetch the list of all the available work center in this plant. Okay, so I'm going to execute. Okay, see, these are the work center, these are the plant, these are the name of the work center. You can choose accordingly. Okay, getting my points? For example, if I'm going to double click on any work center, then this is the plant, this is the SSA work center category, that is plant maintenance, and all default values, capacities. Okay, scheduling, getting my points, costing. Okay, technology, all the things is available here. Okay, and if you click on this HR assignment, you will get all the officer associated with this work center will be available. Getting my points? Now I'm going to give you an example of maintenance work center. Okay, I'm going to open the maintenance order. This is the maintenance of the some planning group. Okay, and here you can see the first operation, the work center and the plant. This is the work center 1744 TI01, and 1701 is the plant code. Okay, so this work center is made for the maintenance activity. You can frequently use once you create the notification and maintenance order, and this work center is associated with the cost center, and cost center with directly associated with the your financial activity, charge activity, consumption activity, the utilization of expense activity. Okay, so for in the production activity, there is a HR activity. For the different activity, there is a work center. Okay, so the transaction code is for the creation of the work center is a CR01. For change of work center, any changes? CR02. For the display, CR03. For get the work center list in a particular plant, the transaction code is CR05. Okay, so that is all about the work center, how to create the work center, how to change work center, how to display work center, and how to get the list of the work center. For these three, we will prepare a separate videos. Okay, so that's all. If you have, again I'm repeating, if you have any query regarding this video topic, please feel free to comment. I will give you the best solution. Okay, that's all. Have a nice day.